In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from your Wells Fargo account to a non-Wells Fargo account. It's a straightforward process that you can easily handle through the Wells Fargo app. This tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth transaction. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to open the Wells Fargo app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed to ensure smooth functionality. Once you've opened the app, log into your account using your secure credentials. It's always a good idea to ensure you are connected to a secure internet connection before initiating any financial transactions. When you're logged in, look for the Transfer and Pay option on the main dashboard of the app. This section is your gateway to managing transfers and bill payments, providing a convenient hub for all your financial movements. Next, select the Transfer Money option. This will set you up to begin the process of moving your funds. It's here that you'll configure the details of the transaction, selecting how much you want to transfer and to which account. Now, if you're transferring to an account that isn't with Wells Fargo, you'll first need to add this non-Wells Fargo account. To do so, enter the necessary details, the routing number, and the account number of the recipient's bank account. It's crucial to double-check these numbers for accuracy, as errors can lead to delays or potentially incorrect transactions. Once you've successfully added the account, Wells Fargo will require you to verify your new link by confirming micro deposits. This step involves Wells Fargo depositing small amounts into the external account, which you will then confirm in the app. Check the external account for these small deposits, and once they appear, return to the Wells Fargo app to verify the amounts. This process can take a couple of days, so keep an eye on the linked account to ensure you're notified once they arrive. With the accounts linked and verified, you're ready to transfer funds. Head back into the app, revisit the Transfer Money section, and enter the amount you wish to send. Look over all the details one last time, including the destination account and the transfer amount, to ensure everything is correct. Before finalizing, it's essential to review any fees that may apply for the service, as well as the estimated time for the transfer to complete. This review helps you avoid surprises and manage expectations about when the funds will arrive. And that's it! By following these steps, you're now equipped to move your money securely and efficiently from your Wells Fargo account to an account at a different bank. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in making your transfers seamless.